start the process of wrapping up. On your tables, you have Ziploc bags. What you're going to do with those Ziploc bags is put any candy or icing that would leak out if you didn't put it in the Ziploc bag. So go ahead and start that process. Also, on your table, you have plastic bags. That's for you to store any loose material in. So that plastic shopping bag that you have on your table, go ahead and start wrapping up. You guys are going to need to put your names on your gingerbread houses, okay? So make sure you have a piece of paper with your names on it. And finally, builders and anybody else who's staying is going to have to see me in 1 minute to get your tutorial pass, all right? So start the process of wrapping up. And of course, nobody leaves out of here until this is done. Third period, you're going to store your gingerbread houses on this table. Make sure you secure it, wrap it up real good. If you need to go get paper towel to cover it, do that so it's right here nice and secure. All right? Any questions?
Now go ahead and add my
No.
camera.
Yeah, you can. Thank you.